not act like a father, Nigerians reacted to Sanwo-Olu's tweets. The governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has appealed to the protesters to take a break from protesting tomorrow. He took to his Twitter handle to share to the public that he was at the EndSARS protests, he was at the scene, and that the safety of people in Lagos State is very much important to him. He said in a Twitter, "I was at the venue of one of the EndSARS protests today. The safety of everyone involved in peaceful protests across Lagos is important, and communicating with the CP. This is what we want to guarantee on all sides. Tomorrow, I'll be meeting with him." He then took protesters to take a break from protesting tomorrow, that he would be meeting with the president tomorrow, and again, the protesters would be released. According to Sanwo-Olu, he said, "I'm meeting with the Lagos CP protesters, and he will be released, and broader issues will be addressed in my meeting with the president tomorrow. Let us take a break from protest tomorrow and give us a chance to take tangible next steps. I want to appeal to the protesters to take a break from protesting tomorrow. Pampers are at the highest on all sides at this time, and while we work to prevent escalations, the safety of our residents is paramount. I speak not just as a governor, but as a father, brother, and son." Many Nigerians reacted over his tweets, with some telling him to release those protesters detained, while some angry ones told him that he did not act like a father. See their reactions below. Vet replied Sanwo-Olu on his Twitter page. She said, "Baba, you did not act like a father, brother, or son. You are acting like a thief. That only when his house was being looted was when he spoke out. Governor, you have the power with your office, status, and full machinery of Lagos State to get peaceful protesters wrongly imprisoned out of jail before tomorrow. I want to appeal to you to do the right thing. Be on the side of posterity as a father, brother, and son." Ayotola also commented. He said that, "Please, sir, Area C Command at Barracks Surulere is under your jurisdiction. Help us out. Baba, you did not act like a father or brother, son. You are acting like an armed robber. You have a power with your office. Why can't you use that same power to release the protesters that you detained yesterday? Be calm. Calm down, brother." That was what Dalika just said. He replied Sanwo-Olu on his Twitter page. He said that, "Brother, you need to calm down. At this point, it is not about who is winning or not, or who wins or not. We got part of what we asked for. Let's reinstigate and be involved in the reform they promised. The aim is that there should be no more killings of any innocent people in the country. If your father is an herbalist, support this movement with charm. If they don't want a peaceful protest again, then we are ready to give hot with them, and we would not even watch them killing us without retaliating. All dead people that they have killed will be on their blood, will be on them." This is the reactions of Nigerians and some angry youths who appeared in the the protests of EndSARS in Lagos. This EndSARS protest has been going on even after the IG of police announced officially that SARS operatives has been dissolved. So many Nigerians did not even back down even after that, because they believe that these SARS are crooks. Even if IG announced the banning of this so-called SARS, they will never want to be banned. Even if we hear that they are being banned, they will still keep traveling from one state to another to molest and bribe people, because why they are doing all of this is because of bribe. They arrest, even if you are not guilty or you are guilty, they arrest you and they ask you to call your family member to come and bail you. So that the money they are using to bail these people are what these SARS are asking. That is what they are needing, since there is no job in the country. Many Nigerians did not even back up after they have announced the dissolvement of this so-called SARS. They continue to molest people. They continue that is why the protesters have made up their mind to protest against this EndSARS, and the government have refused to put a total stop to their existence. There are other economic issues of the country that should be addressed as well, not just this EndSARS of the thing. Some have taken their way to the third mainland bridge. They blocked Lagos because of this protest. It was after the blockage of the third mainland bridge that it now leads to the attention of the Lagos State governor. If not even the governor wouldn't have supported this EndSARS. They never took this EndSARS so serious. They never took this SARS so serious, despite the fact they have been hearing so many things that this SARS have been doing to innocent Nigerians. They have been listening to news. They can't tell us that they have never once heard that what this SARS has been doing to citizens, Nigerian citizens. This is not fair. As I've said before, this protest of a thing is not the only thing that should be addressed in this country. We still have Boko Haram issues. We still have Boko Haram issues to be handled in this country as well. I don't know the kind of government we have in this country. They are just less concerned. They are behaving as if they are being forced to lead this country. This is not fair. This is not what they promised Nigerians. Okay, now that it has happened, why can't they make a move? Why can't they just provide a peaceful country, a peaceful place for Nigerian citizens, since they have failed in their promises? This is not fair. This is arrant nonsense. This is arrant wickedness, as far as I'm concerned. So we have heard it all from Nigerians. Their tweets, their reply on Sanwo-Olu's Twitter page, the message Sanwo-Olu gave to the protesters in Lagos, and the replies of these Lagos indigents. So what is your take concerning this? Your comment concerning this news is very much important. Please don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I publish any new video. Thank you.